Hey guys, Blade here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about how to mod Beat Saber for 0.13.2. If you don't already know, Mod Saber is down, so you can't download mods from there. But there's this new website called Beat Mods, which is the website we're going to be using today. But before we do that, you're going to want to head to your Beat Saber directory. If you don't know how to do that, go to this PC, C drive, program files, x86, Steam apps, common, Beat Saber. Now you want to copy these. You want to back these files up if you've had mods before, like if you had custom songs and stuff. Then you want to back up these files. But if you're just new to modding Beat Saber, then don't worry about that. You minimize that and then go to the link in the description, which is beatmods.com. First thing you're gonna want to download is Beat Saber IPA or BSIPA. Just download the zip. It'll download right here, and then this is your IPA. Go back to your directory, and you're just gonna wanna select all these files and copy them into here. Then you can close out of here, out of the IPA, and then just launch up the IPA folder. It might pop up with this. Just click more info and then run anyway. Don't worry, there's no viruses. It's just because it's an exe file. And then you're gonna want to click OK. You're gonna click any button on your keyboard, and then reload it just to be sure that it did everything it needed to do. And then you will have a plugins folder. This is where you put all your plugins and stuff that you will need. So if you can download a bunch of mods, but I'm just going to show you today how to get the song loader, or how to get custom songs. First thing you want to download is the song loader. So download that, and then you're going to need custom UI, BS utilities, and then we just installed this, and then Harmony. So Harmony's right here, BS utilities is right here, and then we just need custom UI, which I think it's down here. Yep, right here. Custom UI. And then that's pretty much all you need for custom songs. So you're just going to want to go ahead and install these. Now with custom songs, if you've had custom songs in the past that you want to put in, just drop in this custom songs folder that was in the song loader thing, and then you can copy all of your custom songs into here from the backup you made earlier if you did have custom songs. And then you're going to want to go into plugins there, and then plugins here, and then drop in the song loader. Now keep your directory open, but you can close out the song loader, and then open up another one. Doesn't have to be in this order, but I'm just doing it in this order. So then I'm in BS utilities. You just go to plugins and then put the BS utilities.dll in the plugins folder in your directory. I think this is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to keep doing the rest just so you don't get confused. So now I'm going to open up Harmony, and here you don't go in your plugins folder. You go in your beatsaber.data managed, and then beatsaber data managed, and then and then put this DLL in your directory folder, and then you close out of that, and then last one is custom UI, which then you go back to your plugins, and then you copy both of these in. I'm not sure what this one does, but just to be safe, copy both in. And then, yeah, now we have all of them installed, so that's pretty much it. run, just to be safe, run this again. You don't have to, but just to be safe, because you never know. And yeah, that's pretty much it for getting custom songs. So hopefully this helped you. I know Beat Mods isn't a very known site yet. That's why I'm making this video, because I realized there wasn't a lot of modding tutorials yet for Beat Mods. So yeah, that's all I have to say for now. So if you have any questions, comment them in the comment section below. But that's all I have to say for now. So without further ado, peace.